Thomas Tuchel has walked into the England job with one mission: fix the culture, not the tactics, not the formation, not the star names, the culture. Because for decades, England's biggest enemy hasn't been the opponents, it's been their own dressing room. Think about it, England has always had world class players, golden generations, superstar lineups, squads that looked unbeatable on paper. But when they stepped onto the international stage, egos clashed, clubs divided the camp, and unity disappeared. No matter how talented they were, England never became a real team. Tuchel came in, looked around, and said exactly what everyone whispered for years: put the ego behind. He doesn't care if you play for Madrid, City, Arsenal, Chelsea, or United. He doesn't care about reputations, followers, market value, or hype. In his England, nobody is guaranteed a spot. Everyone has to fight for their place every single game. This is where everything changes. Tuchel has demanded honesty, intensity, and accountability. If you make a mistake, you will hear about it, not just from him, but from your teammates. He wants England to be ruthless with each other. Strong standards, high competition, real conversations. Not a room full of superstars, but a group of players who actually push one another. And the crazy part, it's already working. Players talk about new energy in camp, a club like environment, a sense of belonging. Tuchel calls it a brotherhood, a tight competitive group that trains like their lives depend on it. This generation is full of highly rated young stars: Bellingham, Saka, Foden, Palmer, Gordon, Rice. But Tuchel's message to all of them is simple: your name doesn't start you, your performances does. If you drop your level, someone else plays. If you want to stay, prove it every day. Of course, this approach isn't easy. Pushing egos aside means tough conversations, disappointment, anger. It means leaving out big names. It means demanding more when everyone thinks they have already given enough. But Tuchel believes that without this, England will never win the big prizes. So here we are. England finally has the talent, they finally have the coach, and now, maybe for the first time in a long time, they finally have the culture, a team built on humility, hunger, discipline, not celebrity. The question is, will Tuchel's ruthless, ego free England finally break the cycle? Can this new brotherhood take them where generations before could not? Let me know what you think, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, do not forget to like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more football stories told the way they deserve to be told.